Hi everyone, this video is 7.5, Writing and Graphing Inequalities, and we're on page 324 to 328. So, if you are stuck on 7.5 on your own, make sure you watch this video and then go back to the 7.5 on your own, okay? So, our central question is, how can you use a number line to represent solutions of an inequality? First of all, we need to know what inequality are. Inequality is a math statement, okay? A math statement that compares expressions. It's very similar to equations. Equations have equal signs. Inequalities have, instead of the equal sign, they actually have these symbols. Okay, the four symbols that you need to know for inequality is less than, greater than, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to. Okay, so those are the four symbols you need to know. So this is called less than. And it also means is fewer than. Okay, sometimes when you hear is fewer than, that's what the symbol is. This is greater than. And also means more than. This symbol is less than or equal to, is at most, and is no more than. Okay, so any of these four can mean less than or equal to. And last but not least, let me squeeze it here up to the bottom, or if I can squeeze it here. This symbol is greater than or equal to. It also means at least and no less than. Okay? So make sure you know which symbol represents each phrase. Alright, now, the first thing you need to know is writing inequalities. You need to know how to write inequalities. And the direction is write the word sentence as an inequality. So, for example, a number n is greater than 1. Okay? We did this for equations. Basically, we translated word for word, okay? We need to do this for inequality. So a number n means n. Is greater than means greater than, okay? And 1 means 1. So it's n greater than 1. All right? So let's do another one. Twice the number p is fewer than 7. So twice means 2 times the number p. So 2 times p is 2p. Fewer than means less than. And 7 is 7. Okay? So that's like literal translation of how to do this. Okay, and we'll do more examples tomorrow in the classroom. Example number 2 is checking solutions. Checking solutions. And kind of like what we did in equations, now except we don't have equations, we have the inequality signs. Okay? So the directions will say, tell whether the given value is a solution of the inequality. So if you have, for example, b plus 4 is less than 6 and b equals 3, you need to plug it in, okay? But the difference is when you plug it in, you're looking for something different than equation. So let's plug in if b equals 3. So now it's not b anymore, it's 3 plus 4 is less than 6. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 is less than 6. Is that true or false? Okay. This is not going to be equal. So you're not looking for this number is the same as this number because we're not talking about equal signs. We're not talking about equations. We're talking about inequality. So is 7 less than 6? And the answer is no. Okay. If this was true, for example, if the number flips or the symbol flips, then it would be yes. But because it's 7 less than 6, the answer is no. Okay? That's called checking solutions. Last thing is graphing an inequality. So graphing. We need to graph f is less than or equal to 7. Okay? So, have a number line. Make sure you have 5 numbers on your number line. Okay? Make sure this number is in it. So I always like to put whatever number I'm graphing in the middle, and then I just fill in the sides. So 8, 9, 6, 5. Okay, 5 numbers on the number line. Now, when it is less than or greater than, we have an open circle. Okay, open circle. If it is less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, it is closed circle. Okay, so because it's less than or equal to, it is closed circle at 7. And I like to pick a number to my left and pick a number to my right. Okay, so if I pick, for example, 8 and put it in here, 8 is less than or equal to 7. Is that true or false? And that's false because 8 is not less than 7. Okay, let's put in 6 right here. 6 is less than or equal to 7. And the answer is true. Okay, so that means the arrow is going to go this way. So that means 7, if I plug in 7, that's why it's a closed circle. 7 is less than or equal to 7. That's true. Okay, that's why it's a closed circle. 6 is less than or equal to 7. That's true. That's why the arrow goes this way. And then any number that is going to be left of 7 is true. So for example, 5 is less than or equal to 7. That's true. Okay, but any number here on this side is not true. Let's do another one. A is less than 4. I need to make sure that the number, whatever I'm graphing, is on my number line. So that's 4. Okay. Because it's less than, it's an open circle at 4. And then I'm going to plug in a number to my left and plug in a number to my right to see where my arrow goes. Okay. If I plug in 5, 5 is less than 4. Is that true or false? That's not true. Okay, because that means all the answers on my right side of my 4 cannot be an answer. 3 is less than 4. That's true. Okay, so that's why my arrow goes this way. So 2 can be an answer, 1 can be an answer, 0 can be an answer, -1, -2, any other numbers that's to my left is an answer. Okay. Tomorrow we'll talk more about this, but hopefully that gives you a brief introduction and hopefully that will get you to finish on your own. If you have any questions, please come and see me, but I will see you tomorrow. Bye.